So what I'm going to do today, YouTube, is show you how to properly remove the wire from these microwave oven transformers. I know there's a lot of scrappers out there that just cut the wires with a die grinder or some other tool like a hacksaw. However, I am not a scrapper. I actually save the wire. So this is something that I've noticed nobody has listed on YouTube yet. But if you notice, there is a welds on the transformer to keep it together. Those are not really a weld, it's a braze. It's like a mixture of brass and some other material to make an alloy. It's not actually a weld. Now, it's really simple and straightforward procedure, and let's get started. First of all, you want to keep it in the bed of a truck. And always wear safety glasses. I, however, cannot find my safety glasses. You're going to want a sledgehammer to beat on the core. See, I got the I-beams or I-cores of the E-core, the I part of the E-core broken off of it. Comes off pretty easy. And then when that's done, you're going to want to knock this steel plate off the bottom of it. So flip it over. Comes off just like that. There you go, a good clean section. Came apart very easily. That. And now, to get the wire out, it's another straightforward process. We come over here. Just like that. Put something down on the E-core to drive it through. E-cores, laminates. High voltage or 110 volt winding. More laminates. Sometimes you need to use a rubber mallet to straighten it. High voltage winding. More E-cores. Just that simple. High voltage winding, E-cores, and low voltage winding.